Indian economy has extended its long slump in the last quarter with lower than expected growth, keeping it on track for its worst year in the decade. The economy grew 5.3% from a year earlier in the July-September 2012 period, below the 5.5% posted during April-June 2012 period. Prime Minister's Chief Economic Advisor has forecasted a full year growth of between 5.5 to 6%, which would be the lowest since 2002-2003. This setback in the Indian growth story has been reflected in the reports of foreign rating agencies. After Standard & Poor's, another rating agency, Fitch, has warned of a potential rating downgrade on India's sovereign debt. Fitch expects the real GDP growth to fall to 6% by financial year 13 from 6.5% in financial year 12. The GDP growth was 8.4% in financial year 11. India's current sovereign rating of BBB minus is the last investment grade. The downgrade can take it to a BB plus, which is considered as junk grade. If it happens, then not only will investment inflow be hit, but overseas borrowings will also become costlier. Talking about the iron ore and steel industry, it contributes more than 2% into the nation's GDP directly, but indirectly it is much more. However, the recent spate of events has severely affected the industry and it needs progressive action to bring the industry out of the slump. In the iron ore mining sector, Odisha, Karnataka and Goa together constitutes more than 70% of the total iron ore production in the country. However, all these states are facing trouble over illegal mining, environmental concerns. Honorable Supreme Court in its order dated 29 July 2011 and 5th August 2011 banned all the mining activities in Karnataka. It later allowed NMDC to mine up to 1 million ton iron ore per month and sell it to the industry dependent on Karnataka through e-auction. The Honorable Supreme Court also allowed to sell 1.5 million per month of iron ore from a stock of 25 million tons, which was lying in the mines and stockyards. Later, the mines were categorized under category A, B, C by CC, and the route map was developed for starting the mining activities in this region. The categorization was done based on the illegality or level of illegality of the mines.